Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Salih-Salihah. How are you today? Are you ready for study? Okay, before it, let's pray. A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Raditu billahi rabba wa bil islami dina wa bi Muhammadin nabiyya wa rasulah. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma. Amin ya rabbal alamin. Okay, Salih-Salihah, now we will discuss about the last unit, that is the things we do. So, please pay your attention. First, the purpose, tujuannya, the students can mention kind of activity. And the second, students can make a simple sentence. Students can complete the dialogue. Jadi diharapkan teman-teman bisa menyebutkan kosakata tentang aktivitas. Dan yang kedua yaitu diharapkan teman-teman bisa membuat kalimat sederhana. And the last one, teman-teman diharapkan bisa melengkapi suatu percakapan atau dialog. Okay, understandable?
Unit 8, Lessons 1 and 2. Things we do.
What do you do when you're at home with your friends or on your own?
When I'm at home and with my friends, we stay up late on weekends. Na na na, na na na.
What do you do when you're at home with your friends or on your own?
When I'm at home and on my own, I send texts with my new phone. Na na na, na 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 na.
What do you do when you're at home with your friends or on your own?
When I'm at home and on my own, I do chores till they're all done. Na na na, na na na.
Unit 8, Lessons 1 and 2. Things we do.
What do you do when you're at home with your friends or on your own?
When I'm at home and with my friends, we stay up late on weekends.
Now we will discuss about part of sentence, bagian kalimat, the first subject. There are singular and plural. Singular, for example, she, he, the teacher, my mother, and plural, they, you, we, the students. And next, verb. Verb it's mean action. Verb itu artinya kegiatan, aktivitas ya. For example, there is cleans and clean ya. Di sini teman-teman bisa lihat ya di slide ada cleans for singular and clean for plural. Jadi cleans is with s is for singular, but without s, jika tidak ada tambahan s, itu buat yang plural, yang subjeknya plural, subjeknya lebih dari satu jumlahnya. And frekuensi itu bisa berupa mengenai ke frekuensi ya, kayak seberapa sering atau about time ya. Frekuensi ini berkaitan dengan waktu. For example, every day, sometimes, and always. Contoh langsung ya. Laisa always cleans her bed. Laisa selalu merapikan tempat tidurnya. Oke, kenapa di sini pakai cleans? Karena the subject is Laisa. It means singular. Jadi cleans. Oke, understandable. The other example, the students always study mathematics. Nah, di sini karena subjeknya students, jumlahnya lebih dari satu, maka study-nya without s ya. Study tidak menggunakan s. The next example, Rania visits with friends every week. Rania berkunjung ke rumah temannya setiap minggu, setiap pekan. Nah, kenapa visits? Karena di sini subjeknya adalah si Rania yang is mean singular. Okay? Is it clear?
Unit 8, Lessons 3 and 4. Shutterbugs.
What do you do every day?
I exercise every morning.
I eat lunch.
When do you do chores?
Every day. Sometimes, not every day.
I always make the bed.
Do you study a lot for tests?
Claire's a good student. She always studies.
When do you do your homework, Tom?
Never.
Hey, I do my Shutterbugs homework every week. Say cheese.
Cheese!
And next, when. When is kind of question word. Jadi question word ya. Jadi when itu merupakan salah satu kata tanya. When is asking for time ya. Jadi when itu digunakan untuk menyatakan, menanyakan yang berkaitan dengan waktu. When it's mean kapan. Example, there is a conversation between Sabita and May. Sabita, when do you exercise? And May said, I exercise every morning. Nah, di sini berarti kalau ditanyanya when harus dijawab dengan keterangan waktu. Harus ada keterangan waktu ya, karena when itu asking for time. Okay, the example, there are Wira and Ilham. Wira, when does she make her bed? Ilham said, she makes the bed every they. And the last example, Indah and Susan. Indah, when do they clean their room? Susan said, they always clean their room. Jadi kalau when itu berarti ada keterangan waktunya untuk jawabannya. Oke, paham ya solih-solihah? Oke, thank you for today, solih-solihah. I'm sorry for my mistake. If you have more question, you can contact me ya. And for assignment, you should send your assignment, okay? Untuk tugasnya, tugas ini teman-teman harus wajib mengirimkan ya, karena akan diambil nilai. Untuk tugasnya yaitu ada di halaman at page 43, 44, and 46 ya. Jadi tugasnya itu ada di halaman 43, 44, dan 46. Dan tugasnya wajib dikirimkan, wajib dikerjakan karena merupakan tugas wajib. Oke, thank you. Stay healthy, semangat berpuasanya. Happy fasting. See you kids. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ya, lupa. Kita tutup dengan let's say hamdalah, alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin, dan doa penutup majelis. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.